Howdy everyone, this is Graham Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. This is a beautiful apartment here at the East Quarter Residences. This is a 2-bedroom that's on the 18th floor. It's pretty gorgeous. There's a couple things that make this, actually several things that make this really stand out. But one of them is the really nice modern cabinetry work here. This is a super large open cabinet here. Love this. And then look at the backsplash. It's just really elegant, very not cheap at all, very costly. And then look at this. It's just a gorgeous feeling here. There is gas also, five gas tops there. And then you've got a really nice island here too. It's really gorgeous. There's also over here, you could use this as a bar or just extra storage as a pantry or whatever. There is a pantry there too, so it's super pretty. This is the living room. Look at just the crisp colors. It's white, kind of an off-white color. Gorgeous, gorgeous ceiling. Look at that ceiling, undermount ceiling lighting, super pretty. And then the windows here are great. This would be a perfect 2-bedroom to experience a great high-rise in Dallas, Texas. I'm going to show off just really briefly into the bedroom here. The bedroom is just gorgeous, also floor to ceiling, very pretty. And then look inside at this bathroom, dual sink, gorgeous. And then a lovely combined tub and shower. Everything's in there. It's all behind this glass door. Super pretty with a lot of storage in here. This is a beautiful 2-bedroom apartment. And if you're liking what you see like I do, I suggest that you request a tour. You can send me a text and say, hey, Grant, I'd like to do a virtual tour. That would be a live tour. That'd be someone walking around kind of like this, giving you a live virtual tour of this property. I can take care of that for you with a simple text and some calls to the right people. We'll take care of that for you. It's free, no obligation at all, and it's just a good way to learn about our service. So send me a text. Our service is also 100% free. Send me a text, just say hi, and we'll go from there.